Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering the 5 best wheelbarrows in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our top pick is Max Sport's collapsible folding outdoor utility wagon. It's good to have a strong cart or wheelbarrow for your outdoor work, but it's not always reasonable to dedicate space in your home or garage to a tool that you aren't going to use very often. Fortunately, collapsing carts make life a little easier on those who have limited space, especially since they tend to collapse small enough to fit even in a coat closet. If you're dealing with limited space, one of the best carts out there for you is this one from Max Sports. This cart holds about 150 pounds, making it a good fit for those who are moving sports gear or even a few bags of mulch through the garden. It is very easy to set up and to take back down, making it one of the few collapsible carts that really feels worth collapsing even if you have extra room in your home. This is an ideal cart for those on the go as well, as it is very easy to stow in a trunk or even a back seat. If you need the extra space, this cart really is a great fit. And finally, this one is the best price wheelbarrow. Number 2. Our second best pick is Gorilla Cart's GOR4 PS Poly Garden Dump Cart. The most important feature in a wheelbarrow is, for many consumers, the amount of weight that it can haul. While all the other bells and whistles are nice, it's important that the vehicle is actually able to carry as much as possible to ensure that jobs get done quickly. If you're in the market for a heavy-duty model, this cart from Gorilla Carts will definitely meet your needs as it is the best value wheelbarrow. With a 600-pound capacity, the GOR4 PS can help you tackle the biggest jobs out there. This four-wheel device is really made for those jobs that are too heavy for the average wheelbarrow, with a tough design that can actually stand up to its stated weight. Though a little too big for smaller jobs, this is still a wheelbarrow that you can use any time that you're called upon to haul away a great deal of rubbish or you want to get all of your moving done at one time. Number 3. Our third best pick is WORX WG050 Aerocart 8-in-1 all-purpose wheelbarrow. Sometimes it's nice to have a wheelbarrow that can do it all. While there are many options out there that can do multiple jobs, not all of them actually work very well for anything beyond a single purpose. Fortunately, this model from WORX does a great job of taking care of multiple jobs. More importantly, it is the best wheelbarrow for the money in this category. In its standard wheelbarrow mode, this clever tool manages to be easy to handle and very sturdy. You can also make a few minor adjustments to turn it into a cart, caddy, or even a dolly. If you're short on space and still want to make sure that you have the tools you need to move things around your house, WORX WG050 really is among the best choices out there. Though there are definitely tools out there that can do any individual job better than this one, this is absolutely one of the best all-in-one models available today. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is WORX Western Australia 0228 Aerocart Wheelbarrow Wagon Kit. A wagon can be a great alternative to a traditional wheelbarrow. Though it has much of the same type of utility, a wagon is generally a little more stable and a lot easier for the average consumer to control. If you are thinking about getting a wagon, it's always a good idea to start with a brand from a trusted company like WORX. One of the best features of this wagon is the fact that it actually comes with a built-in seat. That makes it a perfect platform for working, allowing the user to get low to the ground without having to bend over. This unit also has excellent no-flat tires and really lets you get the most out of any Aerocart that you already own. If you want a wagon and you already have an Aerocart, this is really the best choice that you can make. Even if you don't have an Aerocart, getting the two together is definitely a worthwhile purchase. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Allsop Home and Garden WheelEasy LE Folding Yard Cart. Sometimes even a folding cart like the one above is going to take up too much space. If you know that you need to take care of small jobs from time to time but you really don't have any extra room in your home, this tiny folding wheelbarrow from Allsop Home will do everything that you need. This is a model that's really meant for little jobs carrying weeds or a bit of gravel. It's not going to stand up to the bigger jobs, but that's not the point. If you need a smaller option that's going to help you to move small items without taking up much space, this is the tool for you. Collapse is for easy, ground level loading allows the user to rake, shovel, or slide material into the canvas barrel. Fabric canvas surface is made from vinyl-coated denier nylon. UV-resistant, industrial strength seams support up to 150 pounds in the 3 cubic foot basin. Weighs under 15 pounds with a collapsible design. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.